Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we are looking at another blue ink from Birmingham pen company Cerulean. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. Here was our comparison panel. This is a beautiful tealy turquoisey ink. Here is our ink swatch that will go to inkswatch.com later on today with our water resistance test. It does have a little bit of water resistance. However, I would not use this on the outside of an envelope. Here is our ink splotch. I tried to make it look kind of like a galaxy looking theme. Anyway, and here is our toilet paper chromatography. I do see a darker shade of blackish blue going on in here, and then like a lighter blue, and then an even lighter blue after that. So that's cool. Okay, let's look at some paper, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear Memo Book from Walmart.com. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Rhodia Dot Pad 80 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. Feathered just a little bit and bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM. It does look like it's tried to spread, and it did ghost just a little tiny bit. I would still use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. It does look like it's trying to spread into the page, and it did ghost through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Oxford College Rolled Notebook Paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead Wide Rolled Notebook Paper. Feathered like a chicken. Bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. Feathered like a chicken. Ghosted through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Alright. Let's do a comparison panel. I don't really know where this lands. This kind of lands in a multitude of different inks. We're going to go through some turquoisey, light blue inks. This is Lavender Blue Bahama, Krishna Cyan Twinkle, Jerbon Blue Provence, Krishna Light Blue, Diamine Aqua Lagoon, Diamine Steel Blue, Birmingham Monongala, Stipula Light Blue, Pambibius 386, Twisby Sky Blue, Carcos Turquoise, Malta Verde Caribbean Blue, Pannonia Hupakik. Let's look at some regular blues. This is Birmingham Blizzard Twinkle, Jean Kyanite du Nepal. Let me see. Robert Oster Lake of Fire. That's all of these ones. Let's take a look at some teal. Might be some teals in here that are relatable. This is Diamine Christine, Birmingham Danzelfly, Ink Institute Jade Vine, Diamine Yuletide, Diamine Sub-Zero, Ferris Wheel Press Bluegrass Velvet, Jerbon Emerald of Chivor, Diamine Teal, Private Reserve Blue Suede. These could be twins. Robert Oster Pacific Ocean Teal. These are very similar. Pambibius 385. These are very similar. Noodler's Blue Nose Bear, Kyono Oto Hezoku, and Diamine O'Donnell. Alright then. What did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a tealy blue leaning ink? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So, take care until then. Okay, love you, bye!